This is a waterfall up in Oregon. Very nice. Hey, this is me. It's rainy, it's wet, and I'm walking down the trails. Look at all this. See? Very nice and cozy. I can swear I saw a big snake fall out of a tree, so I'm getting the fuck out of here. Get back in the truck. The name of this place is called Waterfalls. I just showed you the waterfall at. Okay, this is another waterfall place. This is Waterfalls. Waterfalls. All the way up there. This is the bottom of everything. Water comes down. Trees and stuff around. See all the way down there, that's where I was taking a picture of these waterfalls. Now I'm all the way up here, walking the trail. Okay, that's this big waterfall way up there. I'm up here on that bridge. I'm over on the bridge that was looking up. That's where I was taking the pictures. Right back on that bridge again. Wow, that's That's that bridge I had crossed. Did I take the picture first when I was all the way down? Really moving up above. Surrounded by a freaking big mountain and a big old jungle. I'm tired and I can't go no more. This is a long trail. It can go up forever and never, all the way in the clouds. I'm turning back and go back down that way. I'm tired. Down the daisy, down the daisy, down the daisy. One false move, a person can wind up off the cliff, millions of feet down. Whoa! Back on the trail. Down the daisy. Down the daisy. Down the daisy. Dog, this is incredible. Back going down waterfall. I feel like tropical paradise. The wind is blowing. It's awesome. It's awesome, guys. This is in Portland, Oregon. Nothing but waterfalls. This is the best in the whole wide world. Hi. Okay, you see that bridge? I'm about to cross that bridge again. Okay. Let's try to do this waterfall again. Going down there where all them people at. Don't want to fall down there. Awesome. I'm gonna get back around and get off this bridge. Not even looking down when I'm going to go. I made it safely off of that terrifying bridge. Now we're walking back down. I want you to check out the jungle looking place I'm walking through. They got these little chains so people can accidentally slip and fall, because if you fall, I'm sorry, but that's your ass. You're going down this embankment, and you hear on news all the time, people slipping down and they dying. You know, so this is another little small one. They barely can see it, but beautiful people. Made it back to safety. That's where I was, right on that bridge, right up there. Damn, I was all the way up there. Can't believe it. Hey guys, this is the last of it. I just bought me a ice cream cone, Street Butts. It's big and it's the best in the world. It's so fresh. And the ice cream is so good. It's unbelievable. I'm driving up in the van now. You can take a look at what I'm going to. On the side of me. I got a